Found the key. So let's put some automatic transmission fluid in this thing. Just a dab. All right, we're gonna check the compression. $160. Let's say 145. Still got good compression, I think. And I found this. This definitely goes to the fuel tank. So I don't even know. Just out of curiosity, the other day, put brake cleaner in the carburetor and it started right up. No way. Huh. The out. Huh. That looks crusty as hell. That is crusty. What's this look like? Oh, wow. I mean, not terrible. Not great either, though. This is gonna get cleaned. Oh yeah, look at that. Crusty galore. Squint eyes. Eyes squinted. Squint eyes commence. Squinting. Take my B12 here. Take that out. Where's that screwdriver? Oh my God. Everything I do is just such a pain. Like, my hobbies suck. I gotta get better hobbies. Come on. Nope, we got double movement. Oh my God, how long is that? Jeez. 6 feet? Oh my God. Come out. Okay. Lord, give me the strength. God, give me strength. Not too much strength. Because then I might throw this in the friggin' lake. Oh, that's weird. Ew. What the Huh. You guys gotta see this. Some nasties in here. Yeah, dude. I don't know what that is. That's disgusting. Is that metal? What is that? I don't even know. Goodness. Jeez. Huh. I got fuel line. How do you even get that on? Oh yeah. Look at that. Let's see how this thing looks. Come on. Come on, come on. Not too shabby. Like I said, we'll dive into that later if we have to. Okay. $3.98, boys. Let's see if this is the right one. NKG B7HS10 BR70S. Gotta take it back. Totally wrong. It's fine. We gotta get a knife. How should I put it in this thing, you think? Alright, so it's got a little bit of fuel in there. I don't know if I put enough gas in it. But there's gas in it.
Have you ever met Miss Lindy? She's a gal with the bright red hair. Now she stands high from all the rest. You know her anywhere. Well, she's mine. Yeah, she's mine. Well, I love that little girl with the bright red hair. Well, Miss Lindy, my Miss Lindy. Well, I love that little girl with the bright red hair. Have you ever seen Miss Lindy? She likes to dance all day, and when she does rock and roll, it takes your breath away. Well, she's mine, yeah, she's mine. Well, I love that little girl, she's so fine.
Let's mix this fuel up. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because I haven't touched any of the oil system. The only thing I've done was change the lines out. And off camera, I did pull the carburetor out and clean the carburetor out. Just give it a nice little... And that took me a little more time than I wanted, so... And it was boring. You know, I was just sitting there. Just... And nothing, it didn't look bad. So the carburetor looked good. So I did that all off camera. So all I did was clean it out, put it back in, drop tools a million times. It is so hard to work in this little space. Okay, I'm a bigger guy. Okay, I'm a bigger guy. It's hard to get into these small nooks and crannies, and it's bright outside over there. So that's cool. Got my little doohickey thing here. I'm going to do a 50-to-1 ratio because I feel like that's about the standard and everything. So 5 gallons, that's 1.5. So I'd say it's 4.5 gallons. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah. Definitely need more 2-stroke oil, especially when it's on sale. Bass Pro's got it for like, I think it's like 15 bucks. It'd be stupid not to go. So yeah, the other day, I go to try to start this thing, and it just cranks and cranks and cranks and cranks and cranks. And then I tipped the fuel tank, see maybe it's not, if I had enough gas or not in it, and it went like it started getting fuel. But to be honest, that took me way too long to figure out. I just didn't have enough fuel in the fuel tank. Why does that look clear? It needs to be. Shake it up a little bit. Where's the blue? Where is the blue? We're just gonna put it all in, okay? That should be enough, honestly, that should be enough. If that's not enough, we got bigger problems. Okay, let's try this out. Battery might be dead, it got cold. Like I said, I was cranking it for, it felt like 3 hours yesterday, or the other day. It's been a couple days. Choke, let's put on reserves here. That's a good sign. That's a better sign. That's not a good sign. Gotta warm up a little bit. They said it couldn't be done. It's a little smoky. I still gotta put stuff together, but it can be done. You guys can go out and buy these old jet skis for $100 and they will run. How long will it run? I have no idea. But in fact, I might have bought 2 more for $60. Yeah, $30 a piece. I got 2 jet skis for $30 a piece. I haven't checked anything on those. But the next video, I want to get this thing cleaned up. I got vinyl coming for the seat. And yeah, we're gonna take a power washer, you know, clean this up real good. I'm gonna take these little pads off the back here, and yeah, and I still got to put everything back together, but I mean, it's just stupid stuff like putting the carb thing on, and I probably will go through that oil system off camera, because those are nice to have. You don't have to worry about pre-mixing anything. But yeah, there it is. You guys, in fact, can get on Facebook Marketplace and buy jet skis that's been sitting out for years and get them to run. Almost guarantee it. Not everyone. Like those over there look pretty bad. Really bad condition. But I only bought those just in case if I needed some kind of part for this thing. But I'm gonna check the compression. Comment down below. Do you guys want me to go down there, go over there, pull those jet skis out, and check compression? Like, let me know, because I will. But anyway, subscribe, put a like up, and yeah, have a wonderful day.